Firstly, we can see from the diagram that we are given this circular disc, which is actually made out of a circle, and two empty holes, which is AO and OB inside. So firstly, given that the circumference of the circular disc is 30 cm, so this whole thing is 30 cm, we have to find the radius of the circular hole. So the radius of the circular hole is only this length. Since we know that circumference is actually equals to pi d, so it equals 30, so diameter of the whole circular disc, which is AB, equals to 30 divided by pi, and approximate to 5 is 9.5481. So the radius of the circular disc, which is actually AO, equals 9.5481 divided by 2 equals 4.7741. So the radius of circular hole is actually divided by 2 again. So actually this whole thing divided by 4, so we get 1/4 of this. It's actually 4.7741 divided by 2, approximate to 3 SF equals 2.39 cm. For part B, it's given that a pendant has a thickness of 4 mm, so find the total surface area of the pendant. So from a 3D view, you can see that for this actually the pendant has a thickness of 4 mm. So we have to find the total surface area. So it's actually the top area of the top plus area of the bottom plus area of the sides of a thickness. So the area, we have to find the area of shaded portion. So you can see from this, the area of shaded portion is actually total area of circular disc minus the area of two circular holes. Okay, the total area of circular disc is actually pi r square, where r is the radius of a circular disc, is actually 4.7741, and we get area to be 71.603 centimeters square. The area of the O is actually pi r square, where r is the radius of a circular hole, which is 2.3870 we have found earlier. So the area of the whole of one hole is 17.900 centimeters square. So total area of shaded portion is 1.603 minus 2 times of the area of the hole, and we get 35.803 centimeters squares. So the area of the thickness of the pendant is actually circumference, which is circumference times the thickness. So actually 30 times 4 over 10, because it's 4 mm, so you change to centimeters, it was 30 times 0.4 equals to 12 centimeters square. So total surface area of the whole pendant is actually area of shaded portion times 2 since top and bottom, so it's 2 times 35.803 plus area of the thickness equals 12, so we get 83.6 centimeters square in 3 SF. Since it's given that the density of the to make the pendant is 6 grams per centimeter cube, so we have to find the total mass of the pendant. So to find the volume of the pendant, it's actually base area times height. So we found the base area previously to be 35.803 and height to be 4 mm. So the total volume is 14.321 centimeter cube. Density is actually mass over volume, so it's actually 6 grams over 1 centimeter cube. So since we have 14.321 centimeter cube, so the total mass is actually 14.321 times 6. So total mass of the pendant is 85.9 grams in 3 SF. For part 4, it's given that the pendant is melted to form a sphere. So actually the volume of a sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cube. So since it's melted to form a sphere, the total volume of a sphere is actually equals to the total volume of the pendant, since there's no change in the volume. So the volume of a sphere is actually 14.321 centimeter cube, which we have found earlier. So since 4 over 3 pi r cube equals 14.321, so when we divide 4 over 3 pi from both sides, r cube equals to approximate to 3.4189. So when cube root 3.4189, r, which is the radius of the sphere, is approximated to 1.51 cm.